factor tree of 400. So 400, it can be written as 2 times 200. 2 times 200 means 400. 200, it can be written as 2 times 100. 2 times 100 means 200. 100, it can be written as 2 times 50. 2 times 50 means 100. 50, it can be written as 2 times 25. 2 times 25 means 50. 25, it can be written as 5 times 5. 5 times 5 means 25. So now we select a prime numbers in all these numbers. So prime numbers here is 2, 2, 2, like as these both 5. So we can write 400 is equal to product of all these prime numbers, that is 2, these 2, these 2, these 2, like as 5, and at last this 5. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.